Hi friends, how are you? So in this video, I will tell you that how you find any social media account of any person by just putting his username. You find all the list of his username on which portfolios and websites he make an account by just putting one command in Kali Linux. So let's start our practical video. So for this, you just need to put this command sudo apt install Sherlock. When you put this command and press enter and place your Kali Linux password, it will install in a very few seconds. As you can see that I already installed it on my PC. So the second command is that sudo Sherlock and the name of the username of any account. So in my case, I just put my uh, account username and you guys can show that it will tell me all the websites on which my username was mentioned. So it just checking my username, so it can show all the websites from letter A till to letter Z. You guys can only wait for a while, and I will show you that how it find all the things according to my channel and websites. So as you guys can see, this tell me about my all this my LinkedIn profile, my Insta channel, my Facebook channel, and even though my YouTube channel. So you guys just wait for a moment, and now it's loading for H, alphabet H, and now it goes to the end, means to Z. So it's on R. Wait for Y channel because I show you my YouTube channel from this. So it's loading. Now it's loading to this tool, and I just show you my YouTube channel. So I just click on this link and open the link from here, and it will automatically open a new tab in my browser and shows my YouTube channel to you guys. So it asks me about the permission. Accept it from here. So just wait for a second and it will show you my YouTube channel like this one. As guys, you can see that it reached to my channel by just putting the link. Click on the link which was this. As you can guys see, this was a link. I just put click on it, that link, and it will redirect me to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see, these are the videos that I made for you guys just for educational purposes and demonstration purposes. Yeah, you can guys can take experience from these videos and enhance your knowledge performance. So my channel has 401 subscribers. Kindly subscribe my channel and share my videos. Also watch it because it really motivates me to make more videos on my this channel. So that's it about this video. So that's a very short video. So please like and subscribe this video so I will share more videos on this channel with more great motivation. Allah Hafiz, goodbye.